Today is a special edition. We are making my great-grandma's tumbleweeds. You only need 3 ingredients: peanut butter, butterscotch, and cornflakes. Now we're gonna fill the peanut butter 1 cup full. So now you need 4 cups for cornflakes. Stop at this line. Exactly. For low heat, dump the peanut butter and butterscotch in. Now once everything's melted, dump 1 spoonful of clumps on your paper. Once you're all done, put these into the refrigerator until they're firm. And now it's time to taste test Mimi's tumbleweeds.